insider secret style. Did you know your Samsung Galaxy has a secret backdoor menus that Samsung doesn't want you to know about? By punching in a simple code, you can unlock raw hardware diagnostics, recalibrate your sensors, and customize deep system settings. Stop using your phone at only 50% capacity and take full control right now. I will tell you the 5 best Samsung features that are mostly hidden inside your phone. So stay with us till the end. Our first feature is the secret test menu. Dial #0# in the phone app. Opens a hardware test screen where you can check display colors, touch sensitivity, vibration, speakers, cameras, and sensors. Now we have developer options. Go to settings, about phone, software information, tap, build number 7 times. Unlocks advanced controls like animation speed, USB debugging, background process limits, and more. As number 3, we have USB settings menu. Dial *0808#, lets you change USB connection modes, useful for file transfers or debugging. At number 4, we have diagnostic/service mode. Dial *#0011#, shows advanced network information like signal strength, LTE/5G details, and other info. At last, we have battery usage and device care menu. Go to settings, battery, and device care battery. Shows detailed battery usage stats and background app activity. Now we are finished with our Samsung facts, and see you in the next video.